The future is brave, is bold, and it is set to redefine our perception. At Hyundai, we don't simply just make cars. We manufacture excellence that will lead to the transformation of smart mobility. Today, Hyundai represents the future transformation of mobility. Mobility where sensuous sportiness meets the advanced technology, where superior performance meets the luxurious comfort. Today, excellence is not just a practice, it is our DNA. This same DNA can be seen in the all-new Hyundai VERNA, our latest sedan that represents futuristic and ferocious. Namaste and welcome. Today, it is with a great pleasure that we introduce the creation of an icon, the all-new Hyundai VERNA, and take you through the manufacturing origins of this futuristic yet ferocious sedan. Over the years, Hyundai VERNA has become a superstar brand of sophistication and admiration across the globe. With a strong legacy, we are proud to be soon introduce the all-new Hyundai VERNA to India.
The immense success of Hyundai VERNA is a strong testament to our smart manufacturing capability. With a tremendous cult following over the last 16 years, Hyundai VERNA has grown from strength to strength with every generation launched in India. Now in its 6th generation, we have developed the all-new Hyundai VERNA to take the market by storm once more. This sedan is not just any other car, it is a benchmark creator. The all-new Hyundai VERNA will elevate your expectations like never before. We have integrated multiple facets of manufacturing perfection to deliver space and comfort beyond imagination. Power and performance that leaves no room for want. And advanced technology that has been seamlessly intertwined with futuristic aesthetics for the perfect driving experience. At the heart of the all-new VERNA are one of the 4 powertrains, including the new and exciting 1.5-litre turbo GDI petrol engine with a 6-speed manual transmission and 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. Also a 1.5-litre MPI petrol engine with 6-speed manual transmission and intelligent variable transmission. All these powertrains are RDE compliant as well as E20 fuel ready. With over 4.6 lakh happy customers, we are sure the all-new Hyundai VERNA will continue to enthrall customers and elevate customer experiences through superior performance, exquisite interiors, unrivaled comfort, and unique design. So fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. It is time for the making of the all-new Hyundai VERNA. Futuristic, ferocious.
To make the all-new VERNA a true icon of excellence, we have combined sensuous sportiness with advanced technologies to create a futuristic form unlike any other. But underneath its evocative design are the origins of a superstructure that underpins the all-new Hyundai VERNA's capabilities. To ensure its occupants are cocooned in a cabin of safety, we created an exoskeleton that offers structural reinforcement. To offer advanced safety to our customers, we have increased the thickness of the side reinforcement and material addition in center and front floor application. The all-new Hyundai VERNA epitomizes advanced safety and superior durability with a superstructure that features main body members further strengthened using nearly 42% advanced high-strength steel and 30% high-strength steel. This design enhances body stiffness and improves structural connectivity for optimum distribution of energy flow in case of any frontal impact. Also, the sedan has been intrinsically engineered to deliver reduced interior noise for utmost passenger comfort. Our press shop curates the all-new Hyundai VERNA's dynamic proportions and distinctive parametric motifs, shaping metal into excellence to deliver the most iconic and striking designs. We have implemented smart inspection techniques such as 3D scanning and infrared camera inspection, among others, to ensure the cell conforms to supreme levels of build quality. Our IoT-enabled body building line features 100% welding automation with over 450 intelligent robots that take care of welding and other intricate manufacturing processes. We have also introduced a real-time vision inspection for door mastic sealers to further enhance their body quality. All these processes come together to craft the all-new Hyundai VERNA's bold and contemporary superstructure. In the paint shop, the all-new Hyundai VERNA gets a fresh coat to add to its vibrancy after passing through the high-throw power 7th generation electro deposition coating. We have introduced a dual tone paint coating, and with the application of premium clear paint, we ensure improved paint durability that perfectly complements the evocative design. At the heart of all new Hyundai VERNA is its powertrain, which has been developed to induce thrilling experiences. The 1.5-liter turbo G-Day petrol engine is manufactured using high-precision machines in our fully automated machining lines. To enhance its purity levels, we use special ball milling technology and automatic boroscope inspection. As part of Hyundai's quality assurance processes, the engine endures an array of challenging conditions at our endurance labs and eco-friendly cold test beds without burning fuel. With a maximum power of 160 PS, the all-new Hyundai VERNA is both futuristic and ferocious at its core, ensuring an enthralling driving experience. Now, the robust metal shells are finally ready to be transformed to a premium quality cast in the hands of our skilled craftsmen, creating a masterpiece. In our assembly shop, we have an integrated electric tool tightening system which confirms over 700 dynamic joints in a car, assuring the best quality standards. The gleaming sedan further undergoes rigorous road tests with 15 drive tracks simulating various road driving conditions. At Hyundai, it is our endeavor to deliver smart cars for our customers. With its ferocious and sporty avatar, the all-new Hyundai VERNA will continue to define new aspirations and pave the way for futuristic experiences.